So what's up, people? I am right now trying to think of a way to sneak out. My parents are mad worried. They don't want me to go outside and get blown away or like have some shit hit me. So they don't want to let me go see the winds. I like this kind of weather. So like I'm curious to see the winds and shit, feel it. Somebody's coming down. This is my chance. I'm going out there. Made it. This shit looks crazy. I'm really so mad at find out I'm out here. I can barely feel the wind with this damn thing. Man, look at the trees on the ground already. I'm not the only one out here, I see. Even that crazy. I expected winds that were gonna almost pick me up and pushing me. I don't know what that. Oh, that's just to tie down a bike. So as everybody can see, this is just like high winds and rain. People, to be honest, are scared for no reason. I don't know, maybe it's just my interest in like crazy weather why I'm not worried, but this is pretty that's right here on the floor. But yeah, this is I don't want to see like some tragic shit happen, but I do want to see nature go at it like a little stronger. Like this shit is weak. I don't know. Shit. Man, I'm in trouble. think it was him. Let me get it back inside just in case. We saw it. It's more dangerous since I've been out here. Oh man, here comes the danger.
Aquí nada más te puedo coger esa vaina. Está bien, está bien.